Hello everyone, it's Freddy, and we're going to continue yet again. Hibbert Sound Slumber Company. Yeah, we need Tinker's minigame, that's pretty much it. 5 minigames, right? Yeah, there's 5 minigames. And we have to work on that tiki bird. So yeah, today should be fairly easy, simple. Tinker, buddy. What's Tinker's problem? He's holding me up. Okay, now, we're working on the Tinker. So, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go check out the whales. See how they're doing. Hello, whales. How are you doing? Nothing? Okay. I still need to know what this modern chair does. See that? Okay, now. Okay. Turn my wood. Oh, it's useful. My father. My father. My father. Bloop. Okay, monster right at the back. Die, die, die. I just need you to die. Growing a tree to 50. It's gonna take a little bit longer than it would normally be, but hi guys, how are you doing today? I asked this question 3 times today, but I can't work out, so yeah, hi guys. So in the last video, I told you that we're gonna take a break tomorrow, so you're only gonna get 1 video, and we need some feedback on the live streams. Do you like them, or do you want to have more of them? In the comments, tell me down below if you would like to see us this more live stream. Cause I love them. Hopefully you love them. We're all happy. Okay. Growing a tree, growing a tree, growing a tree. And I figured out that, well, I didn't really figure it out, but I knew that whenever you plant a tree and you leave, and then you do something for a while, and you've come back, then they grow over time. And I didn't know that happened, so just randomly over time, they grow. See, like, just now they went up from 7 to 10, and then they became bigger. So yeah, I didn't really know that happened, but now I do, so happy about it. And also in the comments, tell me what we should name our second owl, because there was a mech owl that gives us more wood, and I want to know what his name is. Oliver 2, Roboliver. Roboliver sounds like a really weird name. It's Robot and Oliver, because it just looks like Oliver, but he's like Terminator Owl. That could be a cool name. But yeah, in the comments below, tell me what his name should be. Oliver the Owl, Termin Oliver, Robe Oliver, whatever you feel like. And we will use his name. And I'm quite disappointed with you guys a little bit because you didn't give any names for the owl. And I just realized how many Shane Gamings there are. There's so many. Like I'm gonna make a video on it. So yeah, can't really explain the details, but there's a lot of Shane Gamings out there. I didn't know that there's that many people that their first name or their last name is Shane. I didn't know that because personally my first name, the person that's voicing me, his first name is Shane. And his last name is Monroe. So, I didn't know that there was that many. I could have described it a little bit more like Shane Monroe Gaming, but that's kind of long. Think about that. Okay, this is the last tree we're gonna murder. So, better be good. So yeah, also in the comments, tell me if you love this series or not. And it's raining, so better murder some more trees. Now that it's raining outside. It's raining outside. We're supercharging these trees. So yeah, tell me stuff in the comments. You can do anything in the comment section. I don't care if it's a note, a letter. Maybe it could be just a thanks. Because I do lots of good work for you guys. You're always what I wanted for fans. Even though you don't really are there. So, any of you out there that are lonely, being bullied, just come on this channel. Like we can get a voice for you on this channel. Like, say that you want to come and make a video with me, like right now. And this is the person talking, not the bear. But so yeah, if you guys want us to do special things like that, then just say that you want to meet together in real life. Except you cannot really show other people what the hell. Sorry about the language, but what the heck did I just get? What the heck? Oh my goodness. I got a sad toy. That's sad. Just like Bonnie's life. Sorry, Bonnie, but I roasted you on purpose. It's okay, Freddy. Okay, so I'm very sorry for that language, but I stay around the night guard too long. I don't know why I just bought some fishing nets, but on YouTube, for my language, please do not demonetize me. I want the viewers to see this video because it involves it's very good for the plot and time. So yeah, I need to go back over here. Monster, kill it now. What should we call this monsters too? Name that put that in the comment section. What do you want us to call the monsters? Like tree monsters, root monsters? I don't even know. Jeremy? I don't care. But we need a name for them because we can't just keep calling them monsters. What if they're not monsters? What if they're really nice deep down inside? Okay, so, Oh, monsters everywhere. Get back, you foul beasts. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a very good day today. I know I did. I went to CBRC, and I'm sorry I can't bring a camera in there, or else otherwise I would make a video for you guys. Not like in the locker room, like I'll make a video outside, but you can't have a camera on property. So I can't really do that, but I tried my best. And I also have a theory. You see the red guy here? Well, let's prove this theory. Oh, never mind. I can't prove it because my theory just went down in the hole. I thought that the red ones always gave you sturdy lumber, and the green ones always gave you mossy lumber, but the green one just gave me sturdy lumber. So that is not. Why did I say sturdy lumber? I mean redwood. No, not redwood. What do you call it? Richwood. I got the R right, but that's. Oh, it's raining here. Raining. We got some more carved seagulls. Check out Smoothie Time. How are you doing, buddy? And then we're gonna go check out Tinker, because Tinker's the last mini game, and he won't give me the mini game. Like he won't. There's also a bug where whenever you get an item, sometimes the last item you get is it shows up on screen and then quickly it changes back. No, buddy, I need that. I'm sorry. No, dang it, I didn't read this. I didn't read it. It was offering Richwood. I needed that more than I needed seagulls. KT leaves. Thank you, mister. Clock sounds. No, I already have crumb soups. Sorry. He won't do it. He won't let me get the minigame. That's upsetting. So, please, Richwood, do you have any? I need it. Sure, I'll take your lumber. I don't know why you wanted grapes for lumber, even though you have plenty of grapes up there. So this video is gonna be a little longer because today we made a Chipper and Sons Lumber Company video that was 8 minutes long, so we're making up for it. I think that was the 10th video. No, not 11th. Yeah, it's the 11th now. Because this is the 13th video. And we did it 2 videos ago. Okay. Let's grow up this tree so we can get some more richwood. This is the last tree we're gonna kill. I said that last time, and that was a false statement. I'm not very good at promises on the channel. I'm sorry, I promised FNAF World, I promised no videos, no more Chipper Lumber Company videos, but it's just tough today. Like, Chipper and Sons Lumber Company is really, really good. And I want to get as much of it done, so then we can move on to a new series. Oh, sorry, my watch is going off. Yes, bears can have watches. It's 8:30. That's a hint for you guys that I'm making this video in night. Like the nightest that it can possibly be. My papa, you must give me the money. Okay, we're getting really close. We just need 7 more sturdy lumber. And we're gonna have to finish that off in the next video. So, bye guys. I'm sorry for my language today. Yeah. And I'll see you guys later.